Hello, so today I've got the I'm From Rice toner, and this was one I'd been meaning to try for a long time, and I've been trying it a few days a week, off and on, I don't know, for the last, I'd say 2 to 3 months, and I found it's a really nice calming toner, and the majority of the product is the rice bran extract. I think it's 77% of the product. So I wanted to do a full review, but I had to bring Gertie to the vet today, so that was like 3 hours of my day. But she's doing better now, thankfully. She's very sick last night. So she only weighs 4 pounds and she lost like 0.7 pounds. So anyway, we've done the gamut of tests and we'll know more tomorrow. But I was going to do the full review. But anyway, I like it. It's very calming. I think it's rather affordable and you get a giant size of it too. And if you look at it, I kind of shook it up, but it kind of separates into two different parts. So before you use it, shake it really good. It comes in a glass bottle, which thankfully I haven't actually dropped on the ground yet. Shockingly, I'm sure there's definitely time for me to drop it on the ground and smash it. But so be sure to shake it up really well. And you can apply it on a cotton pad and use it like a traditional toner, or you could even just put a little bit in the palm of your hands and pat it onto your skin. But it kind of has looks a little bit like milk actually. And it is very calming. There's no fragrance in here or alcohol. So this is a good toner that won't dry out your skin or irritate it with a lot of fragrance. So, and it is super hydrating. I'm going to put a little bit on my neck is always so dry anyway. But anyway, so I really like it. It's pretty hydrating for the most part. I like calming toners most of the week. A couple other toners I really like. The Isn't Tree Green Tea Toner. I find that to be kind of calming. The Claire Supple Preparation Toner. I also find that to be calming and hydrating. And the Good Molecules Niacinamide Toner. I find this one to really help with some brightening. This one also contains a good decent amount of niacinamide in there as well. But overall, in terms of calming, I find this one to be the most calming. Probably not the most hydrating. I would say the Claire's is a little bit more hydrating, but this one really does a good job. So if you're on any like drying things, or if you use like retinol or alpha hydroxy or beta hydroxy acids, using this before those will certainly help your skin kind of calm down, add a little boost of hydration, and kind of do a little bit better and give you kind of less reaction, things like that. And it's definitely one of the better toners out there. So many of them contain either denatured alcohols or fragrance or essential oils or things like that, and they can be irritating, but this one is much more calming. Although I do recommend if you use it, keep it in a cabinet just because the whole bottle is glass. I know like niacinamide and some of those good ingredients can be kind of hampered if they're sitting in the sun and like on the countertop all day, which I need new countertops again. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you some of my thoughts on this, but it's really a good one, especially if you have dry skin or any other skin issues or just kind of irritated or sensitized skin. It really helps with that. And it doesn't have a long ingredient list, so if you have a lot of allergies or things like that, it's also a good thing. So anyway, I just thought I'd let you guys know my thoughts on this one. I love it. I'll definitely be using it until the very bottom or until I drop it and break it, which hopefully doesn't happen. But I break a lot, so I don't know. I even dropped like 5 things off my countertop today. Just one little motion and half of it was on the ground. So anyway, but when you drop in oil, that's when it gets to be a messy, messy problem. So anyway, those are kind of my thoughts. Quick, I'm interested if you guys have a chance to try it, or if you try anything else from the brand, or what your favorite calming toner is. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow, and I will see you then.